Monday, 18th of May 2015. Paper highlights. First, let's look at the paper highlights from Daily Mirror. MEP opposed to increasing parliamentary seats. No such requirement due to the PC system. Writes to President and insists on present 225 seats. The Mahajan Exit Peramuna, led by MP Dinesh Gunawardena, had submitted its proposals for electoral reforms, opposing the move to increase the present number of 225 parliamentarians, party officials said yesterday. Another paper highlight from Daily Mirror. I am eager to meet Emma in court. The letter of demand with 3 pages sent by my former friend Mahinda Rajapaksa requesting 1 billion rupees was received. I am eagerly waiting to meet him in court. Claiming that he has received the letter of demand sent by former President Mahinda Rajapaksa over his statement about the former First Family's assets, Foreign Minister Mangala Samaraweera said he was ready to meet former President Rajapaksa in court. Another paper highlight from Daily Mirror. Ranil's statement bad by law. Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe remarks over Supreme Court interim order regarding a fundamental rights petition filed by former Defence Secretary Gotabaya Rajapaksa is a severe blow on the independence of the judiciary, rule of law and good governance, the opposition leader said. More highlights from Daily Mirror. GL criticizes Ranil's remarks on Gotabaya case. Former External Affairs Minister GL Pieris said yesterday that Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe's move to refer to the Supreme Court ruling regarding former Defence Secretary Gotabaya Rajapaksa to the Commonwealth Judges Association and to seek a full bench for hearing it amounted to interference with the judiciary and intimidation of it. Another paper highlight from Daily Mirror. Bribery Commission allegedly split into factions. The Bribery Commission appears to have split into 2 factions following the resignation of one commissioner, informed sources said. Now let's look at the paper highlights from Ceylon today. Global Tamil Forum. Emmanuel gives Maitri the thumbs up. Commenting on the Sri Lankan government's decision to tone down the Victory Day celebrations, leader of the Global Tamil Forum, Father S.J. Emmanuel, states that President Maithripala Sirisena is showing signs of an emerging patriot and statesman. Another paper highlight from Ceylon today. Mullaitivu Magistrate bans LTTE commemorative events. The Mullaitivu Magistrates Court issued an order on Saturday banning any commemorative event of slain LTTE members for 2 weeks starting today. Police had earlier informed court that some members of the Northern Provincial Council and Tamil National People's Front were preparing to conduct a commemorative ceremony today. Another paper highlight from Ceylon today. Maitri and Mahinda hold War Heroes Day at 2 locations. The state commemoration to mark the end of the war will take place 8 am tomorrow at Mathura with the participation of President Maithripala Sirisena. Political leaders, ministers, MPs and diplomats will take part in this event. This event will be titled Rata Bedum Wadayen Nidahas Karagat Dinaya, the day the nation was saved from separatism. Another paper highlight from Ceylon today. Ranil's statements a blow to the judiciary. The statements made by Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe with regard to the Supreme Court ruling on former Defence Secretary Gotabaya Rajapaksa's fundamental rights petition is a severe blow to the independence of the judiciary. More highlights from Ceylon today. Government trying to tarnish Vimal's image, NFF. The Minister of Housing and Samurdhi, Sajith Premadasa, has made a futile attempt to tarnish the reputation of the former Minister Vimal Weerawangsa by accusing him of nepotism, said spokesperson of the National Freedom Front, Mohammad Muzammil. Another highlight from Ceylon today. SLFP to support no faith motions on Ranil and Mahindran. The entire Sri Lanka Freedom Party will support the no faith motions to be brought against Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe and Central Bank Governor Arjuna Mahindran on 19th May in Parliament. Media Secretary of the party, Dilan Pereira, confirmed. Now let's move to the paper highlights from Daily News. Gota stay order. PM in powwow with legal experts. Motion to seek fuller bench. To judge bench ruling questionable. Another highlight from Daily News. CC within next 2 weeks. The Constitutional Council coming under the 19th Amendment to the Constitution will be established within the next 2 weeks, top government sources told the Daily News. More highlights from Daily News. TNA to intervene in Sampur matter. The TNA will file an intervening application against the suspension of the Gazette notification issued by the President releasing land to the people of Sampur. More highlights from Daily News. Vimala Chandra resignation, no pose to Bribery Commission. The resignation of L.K. Vimala Chandra from his position as a Commissioner of the Bribery Commission has given rise to questions over the eligibility of the Commission to file legal action against individuals. Another paper highlight from Daily News. PM's remark on SC ruling a threat to Sri Lanka's sovereignty. Nimal. Sri Lanka's sovereignty has been threatened by the recent statement by Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe that the opinion of the Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association should be sought on a decision given by the Supreme Court on Sri Lanka, opposition leader Nimal Siripaldi Silva said. We looked at the paper highlights from today's newspapers and we will bring you more paper highlights tomorrow.